One, action.
Good. I don't know what I ran over. I don't know if it was an armadillo or what. I'm hungry. I was so drunk. Then y'all make that laughing at me and stuff. Like, no, I'm not drinking no more. No, but like, look, that wasn't even my fault. That wasn't me. Quisha, like, that was not my fault. Like, no. All I did was step back. You know it's more to the story. She been supposed to not like me. She been not liking me. Exactly. I can tell you later. You know. Just send me the video. I'm gonna call you back. Go on, send it. I bet. Cause like who? Not one of them. I posted right now. She talking about she beat me up.
Who talking about they beat you up? Hold on. Wait. I asked you good, you remember? I said, what happened to your own? What you lying for over some simple stuff like that for?
I nobody even lying.
You lying? I asked you what happened. I asked you what happened to your own. You like, I don't know where this came from. But then I'm in the back. You think I ain't let you in here running the whole episode with Quisha. That's why I don't like her. Every time you go out with her, every time she in the equation, every time some got anything to do with Quisha, it's some fighting. Yeah, the car got bumped. You don't know what happened to the car. That's why I don't like her. You need to stop doing. You can't drink.
It's not like that. Like,
what is it like? What happened? Who you fighting? And you might be talking to some. You and the girl or whoever she supposed to be. Y'all must be talking to the same dude.
No.
What y'all fighting for?
No. Okay. So let me tell you. Okay. So look, we went to the club and we was just dancing. Everybody cute. Everybody just doing that thing, whatever. So I'm like I said, it was way more than how she, you know what I'm saying? All I did was step back, and the girl just pushed me out of
So
her
she
back.
pushed you that hard?
Yeah.
What she pushing you that hard for? Who don't know you that you barely bump gonna push you that hard?
Because like I just stepped back or whatever, and she just pushed me out over it, and I was like, I just turned around. When I say I turned around, I hit her 3 times. 3?
So hold on. Why you just getting off on somebody you know? It's deeper than that.
No.
It's deeper than that.
No.
It's deeper than that. Show me what. Oh, nah. I see. I'm gonna watch it from right here. Don't show me.
I'm not gonna hit you up.
You say that every time and then you hit me. Bro, do not hit me. Cause you don't know how to think.
I just stepped back one time or whatever, and then I said, come on, I'm not gonna hit you. Dang.
Bro, do not hit me.
She had pushed me in my back or whatever, then I just, come on.
Okay, look. Bro, do not.
I don't even want to.
Bro, don't hit me. Go ahead and tell me don't hit me.
So, I stepped back, and she was just, bang. I'm sorry, let me
see what I'm saying? No, bro, go.
Let me say.
I just told you that. You always do that. You don't know how to demonstrate. Go give me some tissue. You get on my nerves with that. Oh, you stay getting excited. Don't know how to demonstrate. Get a phone.
Let me see. Let me kiss
Bro, move, bro. No. You always do that, fool. Bro, look at this. You see this? You bust my nose. You see it?
Ain't even no blood. You too
so there ain't no blood. Let me hit you in your neck. That's a bet. That's a
whatever.
Bro, you always entertain
you.
Do
that, I didn't even.
Whatever. Bye. I'm gone. I'm coming back. I'm telling you. You do that every time, bro. You don't know how to demonstrate.